Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to KT Garage. Today we're going to do product review and installation of a fairly new product that came from a company called NUBEHONE. And they were nice enough to send me this free sample to install and give a review on how I felt about the product. I promise I'm going to give you guys a really fair review of this product. Now, first thing first, this product is, it costs $299, $300. Compared to some of the other places, these are really good prices compared to some of the other website or companies that you can buy from. Quality-wise, the carbon fiber is just perfect. They look just like all the other carbon fibers that I have on the car. These are real carbon fiber. Came on a really nice package. You can see the packaging is really nice. I ripped all this out, but it was packaged on a pre-molded styrofoam, so it's nice and safe in there. The heat shields in the back to protect the heat from the carbon fiber. So far it does look really good. I think it's a really good investment to get yourself one of these. Now let's put this in the car and see how everything fit, how it looks, and then I'll give you feedback after that. So here's the current condition of my engine bay, and the product I just showed you is the side engine cover that goes into these two slots, and it's designed to kind of just fill in that spot, make your engine bay looks better while it's not really blocking any heat that coming from the engine. But you can see that there's a lot of places where the heat can go up, and then there's also vents on those covers as well. It's gonna make your engine bay looks so much better. And the procedure is really simple. You only have to remove a couple of bolts. I'm going to show you that, and then put the cover on, torque it back on, and you're done. So here's how it looks after installation. Everything fit just perfectly. It's making your engine bay look so much cleaner. I really like it. Now let's shut the lid and see if you can see from the outside as well. There's a lot of glare, but from where I'm looking at, you can see it very well. There it is. Absolutely amazing. Well, the installation is very straightforward. Everything fit. No problem with fitment at all. The quality is great. It makes your engine base look so much better. Looking from outside, you don't have to open the trunk lid to see it. You can just stand in the back of the car and look in, and it looks just very well organized, and it looks so much cleaner. So overall, I do like the product. The price is great. You could be spending twice as much going to some other companies, which making probably the same product. You can't get any better on the quality from the way I'm looking at it. This carbon fiber looks just exceptional. So overall, I would suggest that you go get yourself one. It's a fairly inexpensive way to make your C8 looks better. I'm gonna add the link to on this product on the description of the video. Please go get yourself one. Give it a try and let me know what you think on the comment section. I appreciate you guys tuning into KT Garage. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.